Yo, what's up, gang? It's your boy Rick, aka Iconic, back with another video. All right, so in this video, as you can see, as we're starting out, I'm currently in a trade, and I am down actually on the account. I've been trying to record since yesterday, and I was having mic problems, or at least I thought I was having mic problems. I recorded a video. It was over 30 minutes, but it literally took me like 4 to 5 hours just taking that trade, monitoring that trade, and end up realizing after it's done that there was absolutely no sound. And I was already frustrated, so I said, fuck it, I'm not even gonna add no audio over this video. But neither here nor there. The trade that I'm in right now, I don't even know why I took that trade. That's the honest to God truth. I have no idea. I marked up my charts a little bit earlier today. Not these markings that you're seeing here. Not this on the trading view, but from 7 to 8 a.m. From 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. I did mark that up. But I am down. Well, let me rephrase that. I'm not down on the account. I'm down on profits. So right now I'm up only about 700. And right now in this trade, I'm risking probably about 5. So if this trade takes me out, then I won't have $200 left out of the close to 2,000 that I made. And again, I've just been taking, random trades. I'm not gonna lie. I say random because they're pretty much get back trades because I'm trying to get back what I lost. So as you can see, let's go back to this now. Take a look. As you can see, the account is at 25,373 or whatever. Let's just 25,400 versus where it was before. And then we'll take a look at the trades that I've taken. As you can see, I've been taking nothing but L's. I have a few wins, and I've taken this L. So this brought me up a little bit. Then I just took this L, then this next one, and now that's the remaining profit. And since I'm down now, I'm down on this trade. Where is it? Down 315. Then you take the 315 out of that 700 that's left. So right now the market's actually trading at some higher levels, trading near the highs for the week, for the month, for the day. The highest that it's ever been is pretty much close to that level, which is here. And if I could stay in this trade and we could come back up here, then that'll be pretty really good. I mean, that's pretty much right now. It's just hope. I'm just trading on hope right now, and not any sound strategy, because I did not utilize my strategy to enter into any of these positions that I have open. Only the ones that I took earlier today that went in profit. But these are pretty much get back trades to get back what I lost. Anyway, let me just remove some of these clutter and mark this up real quick so you guys can see. So we have this weekly high, monthly high. This is the highest that the NASDAQ has ever been. Okay. Market is trading close to this daily high, right? And I'm anticipating, maybe New York session might be bullish, but if it's going to take me out before New York session opens, which is in like 2 hours and 30 minutes, so the likelihood of me still being in that trade is very slim. But it would be nice if the market comes back to touch these daily highs up here, or yearly high, or the highest point the market's ever been, and possibly break. If it breaks, then it could run further. So go on to the 4 hour. So once you start going lower, you start seeing a lot of resistance, which will probably not allow the market to go any higher. So 1 hour. So this is all the rejection that we're facing. As you can see right now, this candle is deeply rejecting, which means down 240 on that. And this really and truly, this is spread. This is really the spread, because I technically, from where the market was when I entered in, it was literally like down here, and I took the trade, and this spread is just really high. And if I could do better, then I'll definitely do better with a different broker that has a better spread, because that eats into a lot of your profit. I'm not sure why the market looks like it's not even moving right now. Like no type of movement. 1765.1. Let's see what it says on here. 176. All right, so that was a VPN issue. Let me turn it on. You got to keep these hackers out, man. You got to keep these hackers out. Anyway, guys, so that's where I'm at right now. I did end up taking some L's because of me being impatient, obviously lacking self discipline. There's still, you know, we're in February, so we have today being the 6th, so 22 more days before this month ends. So there's a lot of trading days that I have to make some profit instead of me trying to rush and make $2,000 a day, right? I could just settle for 500 or 400 or 300, or just not even trade some days, because I don't have to trade every day. So I have to, build those type of disciplines. Okay, let me put this to the H4 chart. And my take profit is way up here at about 4,000. I'm going to drop it back down to this high here, because if we could make 900, then that would kind of bring me back closer to not break even, but close to profit of about maybe 1,500 or something like that, right? So we'll move that here, and if the market decides it wants to break these highs, maybe during Euro session or New York session tomorrow, then we could possibly look at some different type of trade. But right now, let's see if we can get into profit. So what I'm going to do, instead of making this video super long, I'm going to pause it and I'll be back shortly. All right, quick pause. Well, unpause. Okay, so right now we are down 250 on the account, or on this trade, I should say. Oh yeah, definitely a lot of bears coming in here. Oh, look at that candle. That's a serious candle right there. 5 minute. And I don't even know why I have the 2 minute candle here. I don't use the 2 minute chart. Where the heck is it? Okay, there it is. So right now, market looks like it's just pulling into some little resistance here. Just need to see break up these highs up here. Not that, and again, I went ahead and moved my TP. I just don't want to miss anything, but I know that's not the right way to trade. Take what you get, right? They say pigs get fat and hogs get slaughtered. Right now, I'm acting like a hog. So you know what? Let's just go ahead and let me see. 260. All right, let's just put it back right there. All right, so I'm gonna keep it right there until my brain gets scrambled. I went back probably to, it went all the way to like minus 25, minus $15. I should have just closed it out and regroup myself to go to bed and wait till 3 a.m. or wait till a New York session. But I figured if it pulled back that deep, there's a possibility that if it went back up in my favor, then it's a possibility. I thought it was going to keep going, but obviously it did not. And right now, again, my emotions are kicking in right now, and It's like I'm fidgeting to move this thing. And I can't be the only trader that does this. I cannot be. You know what I mean? This is just not the most disciplined thing to be doing. And I know it's easy to say, well, just walk away. I mean, if you're doing it, you know it's not that easy. And again, this is just something, it's just bad habit, and I have to break that cycle. All right, so we're down 300. And another thing too about when you're trading is, you know, maybe just close it out before it even hits me for 500. Take an L for 275, go about my business, and come back, regroup, and come back, instead of just sitting, watching it drop lower and lower. Right? That's something that I can do as well. But it's like I don't want to take that L, so it's causing me to take a bigger L. It's causing me to take a much bigger L. Anyway, if you guys want to follow my journey, you can, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. And again, that's if you want to follow the journey and see if I eventually become a profitable trader, or how long I keep this account, or how long I keep these profits. With whatever reason you want to subscribe, then you can go ahead and do that. Okay. So I'm risking, let's see, 560. I'm gonna say that's about $610. And wow, this thing is dropping fast. So risking pretty much almost all the profits that I have left. That is dropping pretty fast. And I don't know why I keep adding these little markings on the chart as if that's supposed to stop the market from dropping. It's like I'm trying to trick myself that the trade is gonna go in my favor. Let me go ahead and add my notification alert. Okay, that's stopped out. And at the rate it's moving, definitely getting stopped out. I shouldn't be talking negative while I'm in a trade, but is that really going to make a difference? Oh, look at this thing. And let's put one up here that says you're in profit. Even though I'm highly doubt at the rate it's going, I kind of doubt that it's going to be a profit. We're in profit. I just need it one time, that way it disappears. Okay. Right. So this says you're in profit. Let's do that. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and pause this video and I'll be back. Market going crazy. To the downside, that is. Oh yeah. Look where that thing came. That's crazy. Right into this little demand area. That's what I hate about what's this thing called MetaTrader. It's like it always just snaps back. I know you could, take this off and move it, but why they can't follow suit with TradingView and make shit simple? Oh, definitely getting stopped out right there. Look at this thing. This thing is bearish as fuck. This thing is bearish. Can you see that? This little area here. Even though there's this candle here, right? That's still, this green candle still hasn't been filled, and that's what the market is doing. So if you go from here to here, well, actually, the majority of that is filled. So from this candle, let's say this to this still hasn't been filled. That's how I look at the market. If this thing goes back, it's a possibility that it might continue bear bullish. I don't want this fucking candle to take me out. I just feel like shit's gonna take me out and then push all the way back up. Because right now there's liquidity sitting right here below these candles. Let's drop this a little. Let's just drop it to 6. Let's move this down. I just feel like it's going to snag this liquidity and then push back up. Alright, let's see what it does. This square here. I just feel like it's, there it is. There it is. I just think it's going to snag this and then push back up. And it might just be by a few pips. Where did it go? Did it go lower? Alright. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, yo, like my heart's beating fast as fuck. It's like crazy. Let's get off of this. Go back to the H4 chart. H4 that just now that looked like it was gonna give some good momentum to the upside, and then it should just reversed. Why look at this? Come on now, come on now, come on now. You can do it. Where the bulls at? Real in the moment, emotional trading, which I shouldn't have, but I do. That's the honest to God truth. Excuse me. Damn, fucking bears coming back in. Oh crap. God damn. Man, every bit of emotion is racing through me right now. Every single bit is racing through me right now. I can't be the only trader that's going through this or doing this. Like, where are the bulls? Where are the bulls? 2 hours before the market actually opens, like, well, the New York Euro session. When I tell you I hate MetaTrader, like, for this app to be around so long, it's like so whack. And I even hate it more now that I'm losing all my profits. When I'm in profit, I love it. I hate this shit. I like how the bearish candles are getting smaller though, compared to this big candle here. This one, they have a smaller candle. Then this candle doesn't appear to have too much momentum, but then again, there's still no signs of bullish pressure. Like, you see a little bit here, but none of these candles are closing green. And I feel like if we get a break and close above this high, the high of this white candle here, I feel like it could continue upwards. But liquidities just keep building, keep building, keep building. This candle here snagged this liquidity. Now we have this candle could possibly come back to just to take out everybody and take out all the guys that try to go high and then push higher. Talk about an emotional roller coaster right now for me. And I don't want to pause it and then it takes me out and you guys don't get to see it. Give me a close above here. Give me a close above here because I would feel good knowing we got a close above here because I feel like it's gonna continue to the upside. All right, so we got some bulls. We have two bullish candles. We just need. Yo, fuck them down there. It's like shit. Right now, I feel like Leonardo DiCaprio and the is it the Revenant, or whatever the hell that movie is called, and Bear's just mauling his ass. That's how I feel right now. They just mauling my ass right now, not even giving me an opportunity. Like they just taking my ass to Pound Town. Oh my god. All right. No, this shit is crazy. So yeah, man. So again, I don't know why I entered into this trade to begin with because it was so close to the high. It's not even like without me moving my take profit above the highest high, the it's not even that much profit in terms of risk, right? I don't even think it was a 4-1 or a 3-1 or a 2-1. Close to a 2-1, which is not bad. But it was close to the high. Could have just waited to see if the market's gonna.
You got stopped out.
All right, guys, look at that drop right there. Look at that drop. That came down with vengeance. Like I don't even know what to say right now. Let's take a look at the history. $23 from 2000. Now it wants to pull back. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Like really? Look at that. It's crazy. So this candle got filled all the way through. All right, guys, I'm gonna just go ahead and stop the video right here. And I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe I just go to bed for the next 2 hours, or just go to bed till NY session. Matter of fact, I got a block in the morning around 8 a.m. to 2, like 2 something. I don't know. So, but I'll talk to you guys.